Paz Senhor, bom dia, good morning everybody, welcome to my channel, again. I am very glad to have you here. If you're here today again, that means that you really want to learn Brazilian Portuguese with me. I am very excited for having you here, and on this occasion I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel, and also to like the video, to start commenting. I know the videos are not that good yet as you deserve, but I promise you we will get there. So let's get started. Before we will get to today's lesson, I would like to remind what we have learned yesterday. So to say hi in Portuguese, we're gonna say oi. For to say hello, we shall say olá. For to say good morning, we shall say bom dia. For to say good afternoon, we shall say boa tarde. For to say good night, we shall say boa noite. For to say thank you, we shall say obrigado. For to say thanks, we shall say valeu. And for to say please, we shall say por favor. Great. So if you've learned those words, now we can get to the lesson 2. During lesson 2, we are going to learn how to ask how are you, because as like in English language, it's very important to ask about the well-being of the second person. The same in Portuguese. This is a quite relevant part of the greeting part of the conversation. So for to ask how are you, we shall ask tudo bem, tudo bem, tudo bem, which basically means everything is fine, and then the answer is also everything is fine, tudo bem. And then at the end we can also add thank you, obrigado, tudo bem, obrigado. And then the person could also ask back, tudo bem, obrigado, e você, and you. And then the person would also answer tudo bem, everything is fine. Now the other way to ask about the well-being of the person would be how are you doing, which would basically be como vai, como vai, como vai. And the person could answer tudo bem, everything is fine. The other way to ask if the person is okay would be are you okay, which would be você está bem, você está bem, você está bem. And the person could say eu estou bem, I'm fine, eu estou bem, estou bem. Thank you very much for watching today's video. I strongly recommend you to visit my channel tomorrow, because tomorrow there will be new videos coming. So thank you very much for watching and have a good day. Até mais.